Put detergent on the papaya and you'll thank me. To start our tip today, we will need a papaya. The ideal then is to cut into small pieces. That will facilitate the preparation. I'm sure you have never used papaya in this way and will be impressed with the final result of this tip. And before I forget, tell me which city you watch, so I can send you a big hug. Today's hug goes to Deborah Cooper. I'm glad you're enjoying our tips. For the preparation, we will add all papaya in a blender, and also a cup of water. Once it is at this point, we will put all the mixture in another container, and with the help of a sieve, I will separate only the liquid. Papaya has great properties, coming even from its leaves, which are responsible for bleaching, and especially for the conservation of items that are dirty. We will also use detergent in the mixture. The ideal amount is only 100 milliliters. You can use the detergent of your choice. Now we must mix well, and you can already notice the texture of this totally different from any item that used for cleaning. Until today, we will also use 2 tablespoons of salt, being the essential item, to preserve any recipe that uses natural products, and the use of papaya. Here it becomes indispensable. Let's mix again, and our mixture is in its final stage. The last item we will use is baking soda, and only 1 tablespoon is necessary. Baking soda is who makes this tip perfect for your use. For its degreasing effect, we can use the product on several surfaces. That will have a great effect on the removal of dirt. To facilitate the application of the product, I will put all the liquid in a spray bottle. To avoid waste, I will also use a funnel, and once I put all the liquid we can use. Once you are at this point, our tip will be ready. We can already notice the difference in any cleaning product we buy in the markets. This tip is essential to conserve your furniture, refrigerator, and even toilet. Your family members will surely thank you using this mixture in your home and will notice the cleaning performed. If you prefer, you can even add alcohol to this mixture for its bactericidal effect. Act with the other ingredients. Surely you will thank me for the use of this mixture. Tell me later if you got the result you expected. Thank you for watching this video so far. See you in the next video. Bye.